Have you wondered what is the best way to clean ceiling fans in your bedroom? Have you wondered what is the easiest way to clean it? Welcome. This channel is all about homemaking made simple for modern women. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best way to clean ceiling fans in your bedroom. It's so easy, simple. This is the process I use to clean mine, and you can replicate this process as well. Sometimes you just think, how can I clean my ceiling fan without making a mess on your bed? So today I'm going to show you how to do that. My name is Florence at FlorenceStraka.com. Let's dive right in. Alright, so I am in my bedroom. I have my ceiling fan, as you can see up there. It's right on top of my bed, and it's hard to clean without making a mess or dust on my bed. So what I do is I use this duster. This is a very long duster, and you can see, but I can twist it. I like this very much because it's long enough. See how long this is? I can use this to clean my ceiling and all that. And I can also use it to dust little short spaces that I don't have to use the long thing. What I do, I just twist this off right here. It comes right off. And then I have this for simple use. You can hand wash, so it's easy. Once it's dusty, you just wash it and it dries quickly and you reuse it. So I've been using this for a while. It's very, very good. You want to try and step on a ladder, but sometimes the ladder get in your way of trying to get it right. So I use a stable chair, and then I just stand on it, and easy for me to do. So I'm going to show you exactly what I do that. You can see this is a chair I'm going to use to stand on. It's very stable one. You have to get the one that is very stable so you don't fall. And another tip that I do is I use pillowcase, an old pillowcase that I don't use anymore. I use that to make sure that the dust just goes in here, so it's not everywhere spreading all over my bed that I've just made. So I'm going to show you how I do that. So I am stepping on that chair, and I'm here. What I do is try to put this pillowcase over here, and then I just put the pillowcase, and then I just put this in here, and I just do this way. Duster is big enough that I just get the whole thing off, just like that. And then the back all done. Then I move to the next one. The same thing, just do this around it, and then just do that. So all the dust just goes into the pillowcase and grab all of that. Third one here, then the same thing, and you see the dust is not spreading anywhere else. Everything is going inside this pillowcase. And then I do the bottom, all that, and that is just an easy way. And then I move these two here the same way, and then just wrap this dust. And then same thing, I make sure my duster is inside the case, it doesn't come out. Same thing, move along this one, and then just dust all the way, and then around it all the way at the bottom, and that is done. And this is going to be our last one, and like that, just make sure this stays in, so all the dust is just stuck in the pillowcase. And then the bottom all clean. And then the last thing I do, I make sure I go in here just around, and then get everything out and just go around it just like that, and that's it. And that's how you do it. You know, it's just so simple. This way I don't have any dust spreading on my bed. Everything is clean. Simple as that. So I just showed you the best way to clean a ceiling fan in your bedroom. You can see it all done clean. We can feel it. We don't have anything. Everything is all done and clean, and you can see that. So that is the easy way to do it. What you can do also is, this is what I do myself. Before I do it, I try to make a plain sheet on your bed like that, just to cover the whole bed, and still use the empty pillowcase with your duster inside the pillowcase, and then start dusting. Make sure the fan's blade goes inside the pillowcase, and then the duster remain in there, and then as you wipe. This duster is really big and fluffy, soft, cleans so fast, and that is the easiest, simple way to do it, so you don't get any dust on your bed. Also, make sure whatever you are standing on, if you are using a ladder, that's fine. find that stable, you rely on that ladder. If you are using a chair like I just did, make sure the chair is stable, strong for your weight before you stand on it. You don't want to break your leg, you don't want to fall down. So make sure whatever you stood on is very stable and strong to hold your weight before you stood on it to start cleaning. It's just simple to do. That keep your room clean. I always clean my ceiling fan almost once a month because I just hate dust. I try to be clean all the time. So that's it. I hope this video helps you to know the best way to clean your ceiling fans in your bedroom. You can use the same process for your living room, your kitchen ceiling fan, your guest room ceiling fan, your office ceiling fan. You can use the same process, and that's what I use to make sure that I don't spread the dust everywhere while I'm trying to clean it. I don't want to add more to the dust in the room. So I hope this video helps you to be able to clean your ceiling fan in your bedroom and make it look so clean and pretty. Thank you for watching this video, and if this video has helped you in any way, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment and share. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below for me and I'll get back to you. As always, I thank you for watching my videos. Stay healthy, stay blessed, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.